Hello, friends. Let's look into a tale of culinary invention that's as rich and delightful as a perfectly baked souffle. Today, we embark on a journey through time to uncover the mesmerizing origins of the kitchen scale, a simple yet essential tool that has transformed the art of cooking. Picture this. It's the bustling streets of ancient Egypt, where the air is thick with the scent of exotic spices and the clinking of copper pots. In this vibrant land of pyramids and pharaohs, culinary mastery was revered, and precision in cooking was paramount. It's here, amidst the desert sands, that our story begins. Now, imagine an enterprising Egyptian cook, let's call him Imhotep, who is renowned for his culinary prowess. Imhotep, with his keen eye for detail and a taste for perfection, found himself facing a recurring challenge in his kitchen: the need for precise measurements. You see, in those ancient times, cooks relied on rough estimates and intuition rather than exact measurements. But Imhotep, being the visionary that he was, yearned for a more accurate way to quantify ingredients. One fateful day, as he pondered over a recipe for a sumptuous feast fit for the pharaoh, inspiration struck like a bolt of lightning from the heavens above. Imhotep stumbled upon a remarkable idea. What if he could devise a device to weigh his ingredients with precision? And so, armed with nothing but his ingenuity and a passion for culinary innovation, Imhotep set out to create the world's first kitchen scale. But as with any great invention, the path to success was fraught with challenges. Imhotep experimented with various materials and designs, from crude balances made of reeds to intricately crafted brass scales adorned with hieroglyphs. After countless trials and tribulations, he finally perfected his creation, a simple yet ingenious device consisting of a balance beam with trays on either end, capable of accurately measuring the weight of ingredients. Word of Imhotep's invention spread like wildfire throughout the land, captivating the hearts and kitchens of chefs far and wide. Soon, every esteemed cook in Egypt clamored to get their hands on one of these miraculous scales, and Imhotep found himself hailed as a culinary hero. But the story doesn't end there, my dear friends. As centuries passed and civilizations rose and fell, the humble kitchen scale endured, evolving with the march of time. From the ornate scales of the Renaissance to the sleek digital models of the modern era, the essence of Imhotep's invention lives on, forever etched into the annals of culinary history. So, the next time you find yourself whipping up a batch of cookies or concocting a gourmet masterpiece in your kitchen, take a moment to appreciate the unsung hero that is the kitchen scale. For behind every perfectly risen souffle and flawlessly crafted dish lies the legacy of Imhotep and his brilliant invention, a testament to the timeless pursuit of culinary excellence.